Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1087 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to finally be trying out the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I got this in the shade Butter and I got it in my January 2021 BoxyCharm Premium box. And when I did my unboxing video of that, I was so excited to get this because this is one of the products that I have been meaning to purchase for so long and I've heard so many good things about it. And I was really excited to get it in the shade Butter because I'm hoping this is the right shade for me. But this has a retail value of $32, which is a little expensive in my opinion. So I was so excited to get it in my $35 BoxyCharm Premium box, along with so many other great products this month. So if you have not seen my unboxing of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so that you can see everything I got. But I love the fact that this setting powder comes in 8 different shades. I feel like that's pretty unheard of for setting powders, but Fenty Beauty is so good about that. It's also a huge powder. And in this little top section here, there's a little filter. So just make note of that so that you don't miss that in the box. But so let's check this out. I'm also really excited to smell this because I've heard that Fenty Beauty has really good smelling products. Alright, so you might be able to tell that I don't have my under eye concealer on yet, and that's because I wanted to apply it right before applying the powder. So I'm just going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is a concealer I use all the time, but this concealer definitely creases, so I always have to set it with a powder, so I figured this would be a good concealer to test this out with. So now just blending this out. All right, so concealer is applied and I'm just gonna tap off some of the powder into the lid here. It looks like a good shade for me because it just kind of looks like an off-white color. But you know, I don't think I'm getting a scent to this. But okay, I like to apply my setting powder with my makeup sponge, and that was one of the techniques that they recommend applying this. So I'm just picking up a little bit onto my sponge. Yeah, there's already creasing, so tapping out the creasing. And then, oh, maybe I get a little bit of a scent now. But so, just blending this on top of the concealer. Ooh. And it really does just look like it disappeared, but my concealer looks set, so no creasing. But what do we think of the color? I think my under eye is still looking brightened, which is really important to me because sometimes I'll put setting powders on and it just kind of darkens the under eye area. And I use a very brightening concealer, so I want to keep the under eye bright. But that's looking great. It didn't add any cakey texture. It did mattify, which is what a setting powder should do. But that's looking great. I'm going to tap off a little bit more because I figure for the fun of it, I'll try baking my other under eye. So I'm going to be applying a few layers to this under eye so that it can bake for a bit. I'm having a hard time layering it up to the point where like I could actually brush it away from baking. But that's really cool. Like the more I apply, it's almost like the smoother the under eye looks. Usually when you layer and layer a powder, it starts to look dry and cakey. But wow, that's awesome. And it's still looking bright. So I'm not gonna bake with this because it just keeps kind of melting into the skin. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply even more to this other under eye because I love how this layers up. This is seriously such an awesome powder. Wow. And then just for the fun of it, I'm gonna go ahead and tap off some more and pick up a big powder brush and just kind of swirl it on. Yeah, now I get that really nice kind of perfumey scent. I'm just gonna set my face with this. But so now I'm just taking the cap that came separately and it'll fit right on top to keep it sealed. And it definitely gives such a pretty matte, soft look to the skin and the makeup, but it doesn't look drying. It really does look like a filter, and this is called the Pro Filt'r setting powder. And it really does look like I just put like a soft, mattifying, kind of blurring filter on my face, and I love that. I just can't get over how amazing it looks on the under eyes. Just so smooth, and there's absolutely no creasing. I feel like my pores look blurred, but my skin doesn't look dry. I seriously think that this is living up to all of the hype, and it adds that brightness with that butter shade, which thankfully worked out really well for me. But now I have to do a flashback test. Not that I'm expecting flashback from this, but I just learned my lesson the hard way from wearing lots of under eye powder like this, and then in flash photography, it causing a flashback, like a white strip under my eyes in all photos. So let's do a flashback test. Just gonna turn off all of my lights here. And then I know you can't really see me, but I'm gonna take a picture with flash. I'll insert the picture here. I know it's not a great picture, but the makeup looks perfect. There is no flashback. My under eyes look so smooth and brightened. I am so happy with this powder. This is going to be my go-to setting powder. I really do think that finding a perfect setting powder has been such a struggle for me, and finding one that's not gonna dry out my under eyes, because I have very dry under eyes with a lot of creases. So I need something that's not gonna dry out my under eyes, but it's gonna prevent my concealer from creasing, but then it also needs to be brightening. And this just does all of that. And I have really struggled to find the setting powder that does this. And I had always heard that this one was so good. And now I finally tried it, and it really is my perfect setting powder for my under eyes. And I'm just so thankful to Fenty Beauty that they have this perfect product for me. Because my under eye area, which I've mentioned before, is one of my main insecurities. And I hate my under eye circles, but when I can have them looking as bright and basically disappeared as they look right now, it just makes me feel so much more comfortable. Well, I definitely want to know in the comments down below if you have tried out the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder and what your thoughts are on it. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.